Hello. This demonstration is going to be on how to do a shoulder bridge. So, down on the ground. Get yourself nice and set, spine nice in alignment, arms nice and relaxed by your side. I like to try to always have my palms up, so I work on my chest stretching. So you're going to have your feet approximately a foot or so from your hips. You're going to drive through your heels and push your hips up to the ceiling. You want to think about having a nice straight line, shoulders, hips, knees in your finish position. And then back down nice and controlled. Lightly touch your hips on the ground and push up. Inhale. Exhale. You want to make sure you're keeping your back from overarching down or over rounding up. You're going to be nice and straight, keeping your rib and hip alignment so that your abs are nice and engaged the whole time. Lightly touch and press. If you start to feel anything in the hamstrings, you want to think about pushing your feet that way, as though you were to try to drive your heel through the floor. That'll activate your quads and help shut your hamstrings off. Okay, enjoy.